Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to set customized icon style in Moto Gmix. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.